Let's talk about the goals and learning objectives for Volume 1. Volume 1 covers the fundamental building blocks of a required skill set to becoming a security and privacy expert. You will understand the online threat and vulnerability landscape through threat modeling and risk assessments. This means you will understand in detail the threats and adversaries that we face, such as hackers, trackers, malware, 0 days, exploit kits, and much more. You will understand how to determine the potential risk that they pose, then how to mitigate that risk through the selection, implementation, and monitoring of appropriate security controls. You will learn how to set up test environments in VirtualBox and VMware using the guest operating system of your choice or host operating system of your choice, including Windows, Mac, OS X, Linux, and Kali. After this course, you'll understand encryption from symmetric algorithms to asymmetric algorithms, hashes, SSH, SSL, TLS, and so on. How encryption works, how it can be bypassed, and what you can do to mitigate the risks, taught in an easy to follow way. After this course, you will understand the security and privacy differences between Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS X, and Linux. We will cover how to make patching easier across those platforms, then how to mitigate their security and privacy issues. Patching is very important. It has to be covered in the fundamentals. You will learn practical defenses against social engineering threats like phishing, smishing, vishing, identity theft, scams, cons, and others. You'll learn how to use isolation and compartmentalization as a security control, covering sandboxes, application isolation, virtual machines, Unix, and Qubes OS. This is Volume 1 of 4 of your complete guide to internet security, privacy, and anonymity. If you want to know about the continuation of the course through the other volumes, check out the bonus lecture at the end to understand how they all fit together.